Hello everyone. Today we see how to draw the isometric arc. So sometimes there is requirement that you want to draw the arc on the corner of the circle, corner of the particular box. So that we'll see here how to draw the isometric arc. So here I have taken only one plane here. On the right hand side I have taken the 30-degree angle, taken the length as 70 mm, height as 60 mm, and I have completed this particular box. Suppose my requirement is that I want to draw isometric arc. I repeat, my requirement is that I want to draw the isometric arc at a point A at a point B of radius 20 mm. Requirement is that isometric arc of dimensions radius 20. Fine, what I have to do here, from A point take 20 mm on the right hand side, 20 mm below the A point. From the point B take 20 mm on the left hand side and take 20 mm below the B point here. So 5 we are taking 20 distance here because arc is of radius 20 mm. That's why we are taken the 20 distance here. Fine. Next. Keep the protractor on that particular point, 20 mm point. Keep the protractor on the 20 mm point and mark the 90 degree here like this. Make sure that protractor line should be parallel to on the line AB. Point should be that 20 mm point. Second thing, that protractor line should be that line AB. Fine. Next, from the below point up, that is up below the A point, keep the protractor point there and keep the protractor line on that particular line AO and mark the 90 degree line here. Fine. Now see here, this is a point P1. So that is the intersection of the 90 degree line drawn from the 20 mm line on the right hand side of the A point and 20 mm line below the A point. That is the intersection of that particular point here. Fine. Now simply just keep the set of the compass there and draw the arc. So that will give the isometric arc of radius 20 mm. Fine. Next thing, in the same way, on the point B, you have to follow the same procedure. Draw the 90 degree on the both the sides, mark the intersecting points, and you have to complete the simple arc like this. That is the point P2, and you have to complete the arc like this. Fine. So this will give the isometric arc here. See here. So what is the point P1 here? Point P1 is a point of intersection line drawn from that particular 20 mm point and 20 mm point. Fine. What is the point P2? It is a point, I have marked here 90 degree. That 90 degrees to the line AB, not to the horizontal. Make sure, because here we are dealing with the planes only. We are not dealing with the horizontal lines here. So what is the point P2? P2 is a intersection point of the lines 90 degree line drawn from the point, that particular point, and the AB line. Fine. And you have to draw the symbol. This is called as the isometric arc. Thank you.